Hello everyone, my name is Subin. Welcome to the workaround game. So today we'll be quickly doing the practical of migration, IMAP migration, wherein we will be migrating a Gmail Google mailbox to Office 365 tenant. So first of all, quickly I will discuss few steps which we need to take care before the migration process. You should have the Gmail account with a password. Along with that, you have to create an app password as well. Please make sure there are no two-way step verification on this process enabled on Gmail. Second, we need a mailbox in Office 365 where you will be migrating the mailbox. So there is a source. Okay. So this is our admin portal. From here, we can go to Exchange admin portal. And then once Exchange is open, you will get this migration box. Click here, and as you can see, there are no list or there are no batch going on. So we'll start the migration process now. You have to click on add a migration. You can give a name, Gmail to MS. You can give any unique name, it's up to you. Migration from Exchange Online or to, so we'll be selecting to, which is obvious. Then next, migration type, it would be IMAP, which we are discussing and doing the practical for today. So here, if you have any existing migration endpoint, you can select that. I will create a whole new. So maximum concurrent migration, how many, it depends on the mailbox, how much you're moving, and according to that you can select this particular configurations. So this would be our IMAP server. I'll go for basic authentication and make sure basic authentication is actually enabled on your cloud server as well. So to check that, you can come here and you can simply click on settings and then org settings. Go to modern authentication and make sure security defaults are not enabled. New organization. So as you can see, security defaults are disabled and rest I have allowed access for basic authentication to all these particular services. Okay, which is IMAP, it is there. Now come back here. Basic is good, encryption is none, port would be 993, which is absolutely fine. Then next, and now my endpoint is saving here. Now second step would be we have to create an CSV file wherein we'll be putting the details. So once it is saved, we're going to download that particular CSV. Alright, so endpoint is created. Click on next. Now you can click on CSV file. I will download a CSV file. You can click here, which you have to fill and upload for the migration process. Alright, so we have three columns here. One is email address, username and password. So email address would be the particular source where exactly this particular migration is going to happen. Okay, so it's basically a to address. So this is our Gmail from where the migration is picking. All right, now in the password section you can put the app password of your Gmail. Okay, and once it's done, please save the file. Alright, so once we have put all the information on that particular CSV file, we have to upload that particular CSV here. So guys, I just wanted to highlight one thing. Sorry, I have mentioned that particular two-way verification should be turned off. I'd like to inform you, some of the users have informed that there could be a scenario wherein if the app password is already not created for you, that scenario, please make sure two-way verification in that scenario you have to enable it first, otherwise you won't be able to get the app password. So please, for those doesn't have an app password created for your Gmail, please turn on the two-way step verification, then create the app password. Okay, all right, so we'll quickly upload this. I have saved in my desktop. There you go. Okay, and then next, select folder to be skipped. I don't have any such, it's not a big mailbox, but yet I don't want to skip any folders or any time range. You can set these conditions accordingly as per your requirement. Okay, after this batch is complete, a report will be sent to this following. So this is my admin account. I'm happy that I'll get a notification on that particular email, which is fine. If you want to change this, you can change it. If you want to include any other person, you can do that as well. So if I want to include any other, I'm not sure if I have any account. Okay, maybe with this name I have IT. Okay, automatically start the batch. Okay, I will select manually start the batch later by selecting in that migration dashboard. Okay, I'll go with this one, time zone, which is fine, then save. So batch creation successful. Right, now you will see your batch which you have created here. All you need to, if you want to do this particular migration process, if you want to do it on the weekend, you can leave it as it is, and you can come back here and just simply click on resume migration. All right, so now the migration is started, and here you get, if you have any error message in place, you will see here. You will see the status, if it is synchronized or not. If you have any error, you will get the error message here. If it is getting failed, every count, everything will be here. So it is in status of starting. So let this start, and I'll pause my video and we'll resume it back once it is done, and I'll show you the exact status. All right, so it's been a couple of minutes, like 4 to 5 minutes. Let's try to see the process and the progress as well. It is saying syncing now. So earlier the stage was starting, I guess, and then now it is syncing. So let's see our mailbox if we have received any emails from Google account. All right, so as you can see here, all the emails are now here. Okay, so this is my secondary Gmail account which I use for the migration process, and I can see the migration was successful. All right, so successful as in it's still maybe syncing, but yes, all the emails, calendars, everything will sync up on my Outlook, or I would say my Office 365 account, which was Amazon, which I have used, Amazon Verma account. Okay, so this was it. If you have any doubts, please drop your question on the comment. I will definitely try to answer that, and stay tuned for more Office 365 related workarounds. Thank you so much, and have a great weekend, all of you. Bye. Take care.